Sure. Yeah. I mean, if you have a divorce decree, I think too, it kind of depends on when your divorce was finalized, or if you even have anything in writing. This sometimes can be outdated. If maybe you were divorced when your son or daughter was a toddler, you might not have even thought about what that looks like, or maybe your financial situation has changed. But again, some people are very, very proactive and forward thinking about this, and there might be something legal that needs to be set, that's already set up. And maybe you do have something in writing. FERPA rules, knowing that there are specific things that you must sign off on. There can't be a lot of exchange of information. The student drives that process, especially once they turn 18 and they go off to college, like they need to grant their rights to you. Also between schools too. So if you have questions, if you're divorced families between the schools, like there are certain rights that need to be waived or accepted. As well as during the Common App process, a student must waive their FERPA rights. So just being aware of that, that is just because you're a parent, you might not have access to everything that you think you should have access to. Power of attorney and school approval from information sharing. I'm actually doing something with this tomorrow, talking a little bit about this. If you, again, have an 18-year-old, they are not legally bound to share specific things with you. So making sure, again, if you have a student that's going off to college, that if they want both parents to have power of attorney, that you're enacting that. Joe, do you want to talk about the dependents as tax purposes? Because you referenced that
Yeah.
with AOTC.
Yeah, and the power of attorney stuff, it's there's the information sharing with the school, but then there's overall just general power of attorney both for medical as well as for financials. Your rights are, for the most part, they're kind of gone once the kid's 18 and in school. So it's going to be more of it like if someone gets hurt and they're in a bad accident, having durable powers of attorney for healthcare and directives is very important. So there's plenty of low cost places to get that done online. If you have an attorney, just understand everything changes once they're 18 and they're off to school. So it can save you a lot of headache and heartache just having gone through that stuff. So I try to always bring it up. It's not just to see their grades and stuff like that, but it is in the case of which parent would you want to have access over financials and your medical directives. So really cheery stuff, but this is the stuff that can keep you out in front of it and not get in trouble. So